Hello, this is going to be a very short video about the history of pagers, the evolution of pagers. So you had one-way pagers and two-way pagers. You had tone and voice pagers. Now, one-way pagers required, well, one-way pagers just it showed the messages, but you couldn't respond to it. And two-way pagers allowed users to send replies and have real-time conversations. Now, two-way pagers used eight audible beeps to signal a message. Voice pagers allowed users to listen to recorded messages. And so then when cell phones came out, that kind of pagers kind of died out. I had a one-way pager. In other words, you would dial my number and leave, when you got the tone, you would leave your telephone number, and then I would have to call you back. So, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.